How to Trade Forex, Lecture 14. In this lecture, we're going to look at another of our unique tools from Forex Trader magazine. This time, it's the rule of thirds. This is a really good indicator which is extremely simple to install and to use, and one that should serve you very well in your trading and protect you from many problems. The rule of thirds, that's not the one that the photographers use, it just happens to have the same title because it's very descriptive. This could not be easier. So this is what I see when I look at my trading screen. It's divided into three areas. An upper area which I'm calling red, a middle area which is white, and a lower area which is green. Now, if the price was as it is now within that green area, so the far right candlestick is in the green area, then I would only consider a buy trade. Now, it may not be that I would simply say, we're in there, I'm going to buy irrespective of what's going on. I want to use the pivot lines, Jeff's lines and so on, and the Bollinger Bands to reinforce my decision to enter a buy trade. But, irrespective of what was happening, I would not be entering a sell trade. If, however, the current price had been in that top red area, I would have been equally strong in not considering anything except a sell trade. You've met this in everyday life. It's the same as the rest of the world on commerce. We like to buy low and sell high. All I've done is a huge amount of analysis to find out what low and high mean in terms of the Forex trading charts. The white area is actually probably my favorite area, this middle area, because in that middle area we are actually prepared to undertake buy or sell trades. That means that there are more trading opportunities available in the middle. Now, what's exciting about this is how well it has worked. So far, using the rule of thirds has not failed in over 10 years of tracking. So listen, I'm saying here, any and every trade placed in the appropriate area, red, white or green, has gone into profit eventually. So, I keep updating this, I keep looking at it, and I can tell you with absolute certainty that it is the case that any and every trade made in the right area has gone into profit. It may have been that we had to protect it with some defensive action before that happened, but that's absolutely fine. That is the essence of why I think trading can actually be very, very simple. However, this is not intended as a standalone tool or technique. It is for use with other trading tools. However, we always follow this tool as far as deciding whether to buy or sell is concerned. The rule of thirds, like Jeff's lines, comes from observation. Here is a small part of the spreadsheet that I used to develop the rule of thirds. And you can see it actually gets very large. At the count, which was quite some time ago now, we had 2.5 million cells, C-E-L-L-S cells, on this spreadsheet. I think it's actually probably closer to 3 million now. That's a huge amount, and it goes back now probably 11 and a half years. And I've, over that time, checked every single possibility for a trade being placed in these three areas to see what's happened to it. And they've all come into profit. Now, is that remarkable or is that remarkable? And remember, this is unique, so nobody else actually uses or sells or has developed this tool. It's not widely known yet. It's probably best we keep it that way. Warning, we have not tested the rule of thirds, or for that matter, Jeff's lines, on any currency pair other than the pound dollar. I have no reason to believe that it won't work on other currency pairs, particularly those involving the dollar and the euro, but as it's not tested, I'm not going to stand by it.